All right, guys, so we're doing a grading job today. A lot of dirt, like 28 yards of dirt. So we're gonna come through here. This backyard was recently had a lot of tree work done and stump grinding. So we hauled like 3 dump trailers of dirt out of here. We demoed a shed that was right there. And now it's time to get the grade right. All these surface roots, the customer opted not to, grind them down, but 9 times out of 10, or I'll say I've done it many times and it's never hurt a tree, but there's always the chance it could. We took a slab out right here. We're gonna build the ground up so the water's going away from the house, obviously, and getting a bunch of topsoil through here just to grow some grass. So we'll check in when we're done, and it's that time of year. You've got about another month, so if you want to get on the schedule, time to do it. Thanks for watching.